adventurers! For today's video, we're going to prepare our own Sanguip at home, including all the side dish, where to order, have it delivered right at your doorstep. Let's go! So if you're interested to order your own Sanguip set, details will be down on the description box. Now for the ingredients and side dish, we have pickled radish, and we also have a red chili paste called gochujang. And another paste which is called Ssamjang. And we also have the famous traditional side dish of salted and fermented vegetables, also known as kimchi. And of course, some lettuce. Now it's time to prepare our vegetables. We'll also be needing kangkong, kamyao, carrots and cabbage, and some bell pepper, garlic, and onion. Now it's time to prepare our meat. Now for the japchae, we'll be using pork liempo cut. While for the chicken corn soup, we'll be using beef fat. Now it's time to add onions, garlic, carrots, and ginger. Now for the chicken corn soup, we'll also be adding onions, garlic, and bell pepper. Now we'll be adding dried shiitake mushrooms. Add some mirin. And of course, some Kikkoman soy sauce. Also add some star anise. And some white sugar. Now for the chicken corn soup, we'll be adding canned cream corn and some water. Now we'll be adding the chicken corn powdered mix. Now we'll be adding oyster sauce to our japchae. Now after rehydrating the dried shiitake mushrooms, it's now time to cut the mushrooms into small slices. Now we'll be adding glass noodles or sotanghon to our japchae, and also the sliced shiitake mushrooms. Now it's time to add the vegetables to our japchae, such as kangkong, cabbage, and carrots. Now last but not the least, for our japchae, sesame seeds. Now for the chicken corn soup, we'll be adding fish sauce and also some vegetables such as kangkong, cabbage, and carrots. Now last but not the least, for our chicken corn soup, we'll be adding some eggs. Now it's time to prepare our side dish and spices. Now we'll be adding a pinch of salt and pepper to our sesame oil. Now for the spices, we have gochujang and ssamjang. And of course, kimchi, cucumber and radish. We also have kamyao and melted cheese. Kindly check the description box below for the ingredients. Seaweed salad. So we're now all set with our side dish and spices. I'm sure you're already hungry.
Uy, malapit na tayong kumain. Tama ba? Tama ba?
Fresh lettuce, Sanguip cut beef and bacon cut pork. Also bought some salmon. And of course, kani or crab sticks. Dried seaweeds.
Ganun masama. Nakaganda. Kasi nga
Ginagawa sa mga bago may dali.
Akala ko, mahipigay. So, biglang pala nagreact pa ako. Kaya hindi ako kailangan. Tawa nga ako,
Kaya
nagreact
ka
ako.
na nasaktan ka.
Pero hindi pa naman ako.
So yung fear mo is yung pain.
Oo. Alam ko eh. Ako hindi naman masakit. May tumasing lang.
Parang pwedeng, parang pagdating ng plato, pwedeng may gano'n na lang eh. Hindi mo na lahat. Actually.
Hindi ka na. Hindi, ito nalansi ka na talaga ako. Oo.
Itong side of the salmon.
Binigyan mo naman sila. Ilang minuto kasama eh.
Hindi mo.
Hey Venturer! Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for our next venture!